In the previous video, we have seen the part 1 interview questions on Java variables. So this is completed now. In this video, we will see the part 2 interview questions on Java variables. The first question is, explain where variables are created in memory. In the first video, we have seen JVM architecture. So it contains a method area, it contains heap memory, and it contains stack memory. And it contains other things as well. But let's see these three things. The method area. This method area, it stores the class code, method code, and class variables. Heap memory, it stores all the objects that are created. Stack memory, it stores the references of the objects that are created on the heap memory. Plus, it also stores the information of methods at runtime. That means method variables. So the method area stores the class variables, heap memory stores the objects, and stack memory stores the method variables. So if you see this diagram we have seen it in the first video. So this is the method area, heap and stack memory. The method area, it stores all the class code, method code, and class variables declared. Heap memory, it stores all the objects created. JVM stack area, it stores the information of methods at runtime. That means the method variables initiated at runtime, they are stored here in the stack memory. So these are the different variables that are created in the memory. What is a final variable? Let's say I have a class which is class some Java examples. So this is the class and I have the main method here. And I am declaring a variable here which is static. Static int a equals to 10. This is a static variable I have created. And let's say if I declare this as final. If I declare this as final, then this is called a final variable, and the final variable value cannot be changed. If I declare any variable as final variable, that means that value cannot be changed. If I try to change it something like a is equal to some 11 in the method, then this throws an error. We will see this example now. I am creating a new program here, new class file, and I am giving the name as final variable, and I am selecting main method also. Now the class is created and I am declaring a final variable here which is static final int a equals to 10. I am declaring a static final variable, and now I am printing this variable. So this is sysout control space a value is plus a, and let us run this one. Java application, and it is showing the value as 10. Now let us try to change this one. I am trying to change this value. So a equals to 11. I am trying to assign it to a new value, and this shows an error. The final field, final variable dot a cannot be changed. That means the value of a cannot be changed. So if we declare some variable as final, that means that value cannot be changed. So what is a final variable? If a variable is declared as final variable, then you cannot change its value. We cannot change its value and it becomes constant. Next question is how to define a constant variable in Java. So if we want to define a constant variable which we cannot change it in future, then we have to define with keywords static and final. The variable should be declared as static and final. So only one copy of the variable exists for all the instances of the class, and the value can't be changed also. An example is static final int max length is equal to 50. This is an example. That means this is constant now and we cannot change this value. If you want to download the document for this part 2 interview questions on Java variables, go to my GitHub repository, which is github.com/subustech, and then go to selenium-java-tutorials. And this video is a 3B video. So search with 3B and you can see it here. This one, Selenium-Java variables interview questions part 2, and you can download this document. In the next video, we will see what are Java data types.